love simplicity, okay? We're gonna ignore my wig cap so it look like I'm just talking to you from my face. But I love simplicity. Let me show you why. Do you see this? And then there's like barely any lace to work with, but it's still gonna look realistic, and I'm gonna show you how in just a second. You see how we literally just get just this little hairline exposure, and then we have this lace space right here in the middle, but they really set your girl up because they made it really open. This parting space is so visible, so I love that, and it's bleached already, so they really got it where you could just put your wig on and then of course add some heat to it and whatnot, but they have it prepped and prepared for you. You also have an elastic band here, so you can easily make it tighter, make it looser. They make it where you can get it how you need it to fit, okay? No glue needed, none of that is needed. You also have some adjustable straps in the back, you have combs, you have all this good stuff. Like, they got you set and prepared to wear your wig, okay? And I am using my elastic band. The elastic bands, they get you right, get you tight, honey. Every time. And this unit has some layers already in it, so I'm excited for this. I am very much excited for this, okay? So what do we think so far? So far, I think it's looking pretty good, and I ain't even did nothing yet. Go me! Let's go ahead and cut the lace off. We're not gonna use any glue, any holding products today, but I am gonna get this lace cut off of my hand. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm still gonna use my curling wand, because I feel like these curls, they're still gonna stay but be very loose, which is what I want. And it's still gonna like frame my face with the layers that have been put in the wig. So I'm gonna use this curling wand. We're gonna see how this turns out. Because then when I comb them out, it's not gonna be as tight anyway. This is so cute. Are giving, like, it gives like carefree, but still looks like I could go out to brunch, I could go out to dinner. Where do you want to go? Like, it's still giving, even though it looks so carefree. Oh, I love it. Let's do the other side. Hello, these curls came out way cuter than I thought they would. Like way cuter than I thought they would. Not a bad way, but I'm just like, damn, these are cute. Now we just gotta get these roots together. The roots look a little high up in my opinion, so I gotta get them a little bit lower. Oh, I'm so glad that this unit has layers in it because it makes it so gorgeous with the length that it is, the density that it has. Having these layers just makes it look so much more playful and fun. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of bronzer right here to the hairline where you can kind of see the remaining lace a little bit. I'm going to make sure that that is hidden. And yes, I am wearing this wig without any glue, any holding spray. I think that makes it so much more fun and easier on you if you don't have to worry about gluing your wig in place. Now here's my issue, my personal issue. I can literally never get my lace to be, or my parting space to be right in the center of my forehead. It's just never gonna happen because my face is so asymmetrical. Like if you could really see, I think it's this side of my face is a lot curvier and this one is a lot more narrow, but that's besides the point. So my parting space might look off on the camera is what I'm trying to get at. Then we just want to open the parting space right here in the middle a little bit more. Even though it's really visible, my parting space is real visible, I just need this right here in the front so it looks a little bit more open. So I think I might even go in and just pluck it. That was perfect. Get that pulled out the way. All the flyaways are laying down. This is so cute and so fun and so easy. Like, I love that for me. This was so easy. I'm just putting one more little curl in my face framing pieces of hair. I like to make sure those have a lot of attention. Give it a little bit of holding spray so it can stay pretty fluffy. This is perfect. This is perfection. I love this wig. Gorgeous wigs, honey. Y'all just come with the heat every time. Every time. Okay, so what do we think? As a result, I'm giving this a great 10 out of 10. This is the perfect everyday wig. And the reason being is because it's not too long, it's not too short. You can easily put this wig on and go. I mean, easily put this wig on and go. Like, this is probably gonna be one of my go-to work wigs just because it's just gonna be so simple to throw on my head. You don't have a lot of lace to work with, so you don't have to worry about doing a whole lot to it. It literally comes out of the packaging straight ready to wear. Like, out of the packaging straight ready to wear. The only thing you're going to do is need some styling tools, so if you want to straighten it or curl it, because it does have that ability to be straightened or curled, whatever you want to do. You want to add some highlights to it, go ahead and bleach to a hair, girl. You can do that too. It's perfect. And if you are a middle part girly like me, then you're gonna love it too. You know what though? Sometimes these wigs are made where you can like kind of shift them if you want to. So I kind of feel like that's possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and see what we're working with. I don't ever wear my hair to the side, but literally you can get a side part out of this, y'all. You can easily get you a side part out of this wig. You don't want to wear it in the middle, honey, go ahead and switch it over. You could do the same thing with the right side. I did the left, but you can do it to the right too if you want to. So you got to get the back vibes. You got to see what it's looking like in the back. It looks nice, full, healthy, and black. Okay, this wig is giving kind of jet black vibes, and I'm feeling it. I'm going for it. Top tier hair. Come on now, Gorgeous Wigs. I love it. I love this unit. So if you guys are interested in it, make sure you check out my description bar below. There's going to be a direct link for you guys to try this unit out. Thank you so much to Gorgeous Wigs for sending this wig over. If you guys are not already subscribed, please do so. I would really appreciate it. Leave me a thumbs up and a comment as well. I thank y'all so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.